Hi, to change backlight brightness on the Garmin Vivoactive 5, we have three ways. The first one is you can hold this upper button to trigger controls, just like this. And from here, select this brightness section. And now you can adjust brightness manually by simply just tapping up or tapping down like that, or you can tap those icons on the bottom to reduce brightness and on the top to add brightness. If you want to set automatic brightness, you will need to tap on this icon with letter A, and now auto brightness is enabled. To disable, just tap this icon once more. Now, the second way is we can go in the settings. For that, I'm gonna press this down button, select settings, and here we need to find this system tab. After which, select display, and here is your brightness. You can adjust it just the same as we did before, so that is maximum brightness. And let's set it to this level. And the last way is we need to go back in the settings, but from here select shortcut. And now we need to select brightness for shortcut like that. So to find it, you will need to simply swipe right from your watch face, and now you can adjust brightness, which is as easy as that. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.